So if you're looking for a great grip like this, look at that on the pole, wood fixture, pretty much anywhere you want to set this up. All right, today we're going to bring an attachment for your Starlink. Now this one is pretty strong because it has a great grip if you want to tie it pretty much anywhere, bar of any fixture that you have, any wooden fixture. Now this thing aligns pretty well, and you got to loosen up the centerpiece so these two can actually rotate any direction you want. If you loosen it too much, the whole thing might come apart. All right, so just make sure you're aware of that. Now they do have an attachment for those that have the mini, all right, the version, and it attaches through here. Very simple. So once you drop it in there, all you got to do is thread it in through here. If you're missing that component, this is a perfect block for it. It has a triangle. We do have a Starlink right now that we're going to set this up, and it does not require this. It has the actual, I printed one out where I'm able to actually put pretty much any brand I want, but that's an option. Extra tie downs. So we're gonna put this up in a bar, in a pole, and see how well it works. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, I do have a long pole here that we want to set this up. All right, and first thing I do is loosen this up. All right, open this up, the grip, and I want to be able to open it completely, so make sure you're completely open. All right, you're able to grab onto it, put on this pole that I have. It's about maybe 7 feet high above the tree that I wanted to line up with. All right, we're gonna set up on the pole so you guys can see how it works. Right now, you can use this for anything, cameras, Starlink. So we're gonna set this up right now and put our pole back and then connect it. All right, there's a Starlink. We're gonna run our cable to it. You guys can see it's holding on pretty good. We tied it up really good there, and it's facing the direction we need it. We're gonna move it a little bit higher right now, but the grip is holding on to the pole. So if you're looking for a great grip like this, look at that on the pole, wood fixture, pretty much anywhere you want to set this up. I hope you guys enjoy the video.